In this episode we are going to discuss about functions in Python. So as we have seen print statement, right, we have seen the print statement. This is inbuilt function in Python. Similarly, we have seen input function which takes input from user and return the value, right? So we have seen these kind of functions previously in Python. In this episode we will learn how you can define your own functions. Okay, let's write one function here. For example, I will write a welcome user function. Okay, and to define the function in Python you have to use this reserved keyword which is called as define keyword. Okay, whenever Python interpreter see this keyword, it will understand we are writing the user defined function. Okay, welcome user, this is the name of function. You can give any name to the function, but make sure your formatting is correct. Okay, like this. Either you can use camel casing or you can use underscore to represent the name of function. Now here we will write anything. For example, we will write enjoy coding. Now to call this function, make sure to add the 2 line breaks here to format the code in Python. Okay, now here we will call this function welcome user like this, and this will automatically print this enjoy coding. Okay,